Join me as I dive deep into the stock market trends and try to predict what's really driving the shifts in 2025. As investors, it's crucial we understand the changes taking place in the stock market, especially in 2025, where markets are becoming increasingly unpredictable. One misstep can lead to significant losses, while making the right move can bring in huge profits. So, the million-dollar question is, how do you keep up? In recent years, the stock market has been marked by unpredictable market trends and economic factors which have been causing stomach-churning anxiety for investors. One day you're up and the next day you are in the red. In a world where we've been stuck to our screens, our eyes on the sky following the ups and storms of the market, staying level-headed and in control of an investment. All over the world, both experienced and novice investors are faced with an ever-rising sea of information, all of us trying to make sense of trends and not the one that was left in the dust. Investors face numerous challenges in the market, and one major challenge is the fear of the unknown. Markets can turn upside down without a moment's notice. Just think about the unexpected pandemic outburst. We were faced with a new world which we were not prepared. Both individuals and institutions are facing major challenges when decision to hold or sell security. Investors grapple with fear, greed, emotions, psychological biases, and information overload. The fear of missing out, FOMO, the fear of being left out, these factors all add to the chaos in the market. The current market scenario is a complex interplay of numerous factors, all affecting stock prices. As investors, we need to sift through the noise and focus on the key factors driving these shifts. In 2025, technological advancements such as AI and blockchain are revolutionizing various industries, driving growth and creating new opportunities, but also creating fear and uncertainty. Then there are the geopolitical tensions between the major powers and economic shocks that create uncertainty in the market. Let's not forget about economic policies like monetary policies and fiscal policies and so on. These factors have both positive and negative effects on the market. Understanding these factors will put you ahead of the game, helping you to make informed investment decisions. To give you a better picture of the current stock market landscape, let's look at an insight that's significant. For instance, a growing concern that many experts are talking about is the amount of money governments are printing and the inflation it could bring in the future. Some fear that the world may be heading toward a major inflationary crisis, and what will be the impact on the stock market. Another insight that's fascinating is how the rise of the gig economy and digital consumption is changing the retail industry. Online shopping is becoming the new normal, and retail, to not adjust to changing times, are facing major challenges. Understanding these insights helps us understand the big picture. One thing is clear. To make the most of your investments, you need to stay informed about market changes. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and learning about the stock market shifts in 2025. If you have any thoughts about the stock market trends, please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other videos for more financial insights.